Hello, this is Plants Lover 51 and we are here at Laconia, 3 hours from Athens. We go to Sparta and then to Xirokabi and then we go up to Koumousta, which is a village which is a bit difficult to access. And now we are having a trekking at the mountains of Taygetus. Our goal is to reach the monastery of Golas. I don't know if we will be able to make it. It's quite simple, easy for the moment. It's beautiful around here, as you can see. You can also hear the river, the sound of the river. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? Greek nature can offer you relaxation and everything you need, you know. Little flowers here, there. Flowers is springtime, and olives, of course, olives. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mountains. Taygetus is actually the second mountain internationally that has so many types of botans, around 2,000 botans, and the first mountain is in Creta, Psiloritis. So Greece has this privilege to have the richest mountains when a botanologist can find happiness. So that's it. So this is it for now. I'll keep you posted for the rest of the itinerary. Bye!